Hey everybody, it's Janice with Creating Through Chaos, and I'm going to start this project off with this Dollar Tree corrugated metal frame. First I'm going to do is take off the little clip that's at the top, and I just used a little screwdriver for that. Then I'm going to grab this tiny grapevine wreath, and I got these at Hobby Lobby. If you buy them in the Christmas section, they're actually cheaper because you get them for 50% off. And they come in like a package of, I think it's like 5 or so. I'm going to glue that greenery right to the top of the wreath. And then I made this little plaid bow to go in the center. Now, if I was to redo this project, I would wait to put the bow on because I decided to add something to the center of the wreath, but it was easy enough to pop off. So I'm just going to add that to the center now. I just used a little bit of hot glue and then secured it into place. And I love this little plaid ribbon. And then I'm going to trim off the ends so that they match and that they're the right length. And I still felt like they were a little bit too long, so I'm going to trim them again. And that's perfect. Next, I'm going to glue this right on to the center of that frame. And I'm going to go up, actually not to the center, I'm going to go more up towards the top. And I'm going to leave that little space down at the bottom. And I took a piece of canvas ribbon from Hobby Lobby and I just stamped it. And then I'm going to lay it right at the bottom and it just says Merry Christmas. You can use any stamp. I got this stamp on Temu. And like I said, the ribbon came from Hobby Lobby. And it's just canvas ribbon. And as you can see here, I'm going to pull that bow back off because I decided I wanted to add some bells to the center of the wreath. So I just strung 3 bells together with some twine. And then I'm just going to glue those to the top of the little wreath. And then I'm going to cut off the excess of the twine. And then I'm going to put my bow back on. And I just thought the center of the wreath needed something. And I loved the bells. And I think if I was to do this again, it's always an afterthought, right? I would use red bells. But I think the silver still looks cute. I'm going to pop that bow right back on. Make sure that it's all even. And that is it. This project was so simple, so cute, and really, really adorable for a little shelf sitter or something. Or you could even put this on a tier tray because they're really small, these little frames. They're not very big. And I absolutely love the way that this turned out. I think it is so super cute. I hope this inspires you to make one. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. And as always, don't forget to spread the chaos.